Hello guys, my name is Mr. Beam, and today we are going to look about the Civil 3D Autocad. In geomatics we have different softwares that we can use in performing and processing geomatics data. One among of software that can be used for we surveyors is Civil 3D Autocad. We have a lot of the software that can be used in manipulations and executions of geomatics data. Civil 3D is this one, so for the first time let me quit this and open it again. It is not a free software, not an open source, such that you can purchase for free, or you can obtain it just in a browser, but you have to sign up an account to the desktop, Autodesk. Then you shall have your account, then you specify if you are the student or you are with the company and whatever, and then you will be given a license key and such kind of stuff. But for today we shall look on just an introduction on this simple and complex software. Yes, of course it is simple and sometimes it is complex in case you do not understand what we're doing. It has a lot of things over here, so we shall see one after another. So one among of things, it is a tool space. When you disable this, all this will be disappear. We have this is starting window. When you selected this, you will be given an option to select this last opened works, such that you may select one among of them and open it to see. But it is an option of creating a new job when you want to create or start a project. So let's assume one look on this. Oh, unfortunately it is not found. Okay, so let us create or open a new project. Your window will look like this. So this is the canvas working space, such that all action and activity that you are operating will be visible in this canvas here. Remember, we have switched off or disabled the tool space. When you make this you allow this tool space, all these parameters will be visible. So first of all, we have to understand the parameters that are over here. We have the prospectors, we have the settings, we have the survey, we have the toolbox. All these have their specific task and assignment. So we shall see how will be aiders or how will be used in survey. Remember, we have a lot of versions starting from 2 and 5 2 and whatever, but we have different versions with the different activities. The versions from 2015 to now 2023, actually we are going to 2024, but all these versions starting from 2015 to now will give us an option to do what is called commanding. So you can write anything if you want to combine like this one, then you will be given an option to select one of these two. Okay, so but how can we do this in Civil 3D? We have an Autocad and we have Civil 3D. For the case of Civil 3D, when you will be searching for this, it is civil 3D, the one that is enabled. But when we disable this and we select maybe let's say for civil engineers, and they try to use drafting and annotations like this one, so it is just simple, because this gives you an option to do just a little things about civil engineering, about creating some structures and such kind of stuff. Okay, but for us, we are not dealing with this, so you might be having an alternative here, or this drop down tool to select what is it is civil 3D. So for surveyors, we use always civil 3D instead of using those 2Ds or modeling and annotations. Okay, yes. So first of all, we have this prospectus settings survey and this toolbox, all these parameters over here. Can you see this is setting? If you disable this, will be disabled even here. This is a survey. If you disable this, survey will not be found over here, but we shall have a toolbox in this prospectus. Actually, when you disable this, the prospectus will disappear, and this it is a toolbox. Can you see how it is? And then when you disable this, or this will not be here. But what should you do? You have to activate all of these parameters, and then your toolbox, survey, prospectus, and the setting will be here. So first of all, when you want to do your work, you shall start in under settings. Okay, actually we shall see all this. This is the home tab that comprises of all of this. You shall create some points, surfaces, traverse points. You shall have a parcel for those who conducting cadastral survey. We shall having those grading, alignments, a profile. Do you know how to create a long-term profile? If you don't know, you just look on the videos below. You shall see how can you create a long-term profile. Right? Okay, but you have to create an alignment. We have a lot of alignments. For those who are taking engineering survey, you will find all these parameters alignment. Okay, or things about corridor. What is corridor? Where is it? It is this one. How to create an assemble, how to create the intersections when creating a load design, and all this. Okay, but we shall have what is some primes in creating a load, some primes, so that you can create a cross section. If you don't know how to create a cross section and how to create a longitudinal profile, you have to explore more in our videos. We have uploaded all the techniques on how to create or design the road. So if you want to maybe drawing a cycle like this one, then it is simple, or electing like this one. Can you see? This is how you can create. So we have a lot of, if you want to specify a line, maybe this is just a simple line, creating a simple line from here to there, or inserting some coordinates, and right click there and then click enter. You will see your line. It is, if you want to adjust maybe some lines, it is in this direction. Yes, you can. So you can do kind of stuff. If you want to mirror, so you can highlight this one and then you say mirror. What do you want to mirror? In the left side. Okay, mirror from there to where? Maybe to this side. Can you see? All right, so after we have understood these home tab parameters or tools, we have layers. We have a lot of layers, so you can drop down this one. Maybe you select this, it is your layer. So maybe you have to select this and changing layer. You can command also layer in a command prompt, in a command window. Then you might select this one and then accept. Okay, so this is how you do, guys. But apart from home tab, we have this insert tab. What do you want to insert? We have a lot of things that we shall see. Even you might want, I may want to attach in some photos, you know. It doesn't mean that AutoCAD and AutoCAD does not receive what we call those images, normal images. Maybe let me just select some pictures here. Maybe let me take what is in this PC. Maybe in Gym, Mr. B. Where it is? Did this one. These are my folders and site. Where it is? Okay, did this one. So screenshot. Maybe let me say no. There is. It's not final. And the screenshot. Okay, forgot about this. Maybe it is Camilla. It is not found. Actually, forgot about. But what I want to say, it is you may attach some files and a lot of things you can do here. And the insert. We have annotate if you want to write something. Maybe. Yeah, you may annotate. So you have to take this and specify where it is one box, maybe this one. And then we have to command, or we have to write what do you want to write. This is, maybe let me write this. This is my drawings. Okay. What I'm trying to show you, it is an introduction. So you have to highlight all these words and then you have to go there to select maybe if it is what is. If you write in a word, in a Microsoft Word, you will find the different font size, font type, maybe it is Times New Roman and such kind of stuff. So you may find those font types, maybe Times New Roman. We have a lot of Times New Roman. Let me take this, and you may specify maybe if it is a color. Maybe let's use this one. Okay, so my words will be looks in this color. Well, this is not favorable in black and red. Black goes with white in cartography. Did you take cartography? That's amazing. Apart from this, we have what is. You may select or specify. Another thing here, it is a font size. If it is bolded, you may allow to bold your words here. And another thing that you may want to do is just we have adjusted this. What is? Maybe here, if it is, maybe let us use font. Then you click enter. Can you see? Can you see? Where it is? Oh my god. Oh, it is very maybe let me see here. Where it is? It might be very slow. Small, I mean small. Let us again annotate again. So I'll go down there and then annotate, then specify where to put your weights, then you have to write it. Oh, finally we did it. What I'm writing. Finally did it. Okay. After you have written this, then I write and then select the color. Maybe let me left with the white. Okay, this is Times New Roman, guys. White Times New Roman. This is standard font type. So I write Times New Roman. Where my word Control Z in order to undo what you have. Yes. So Times New Roman. Where it is, you know, we have a lot of things. stay safe. Maybe let's use this be like 40. Can you see? Haha. So if you double click like this, and then you have to elongate this line so that my weights here, I might change this 2 times New Roman, guys. So after ara we come into times New Roman. Okay, wow, it looks very nice. This is what I was talking about. When you select and then you take this, you can shift and put anywhere you want or you wish to. When I'm after, where am I drawing, sir? Maybe let's put there, so you will not see a lot of thing like this one. So this is about the annotations, but you may modify a lot of things. Yeah, you may view, analyze. This is when it comes in case of mathematical operations like calculating volumes and such kind of stuff. So you might use this analyze, manage outputs and so forth and such kind of stuff. Indeed, Autocad have a lot of things that you can do with, but we have manuals and different things that you can use in order to explore more. If you don't know, maybe back to home tab and then just go to help where it is. Even if you may use a shortcut by clicking F1. F1 give an option, so you may download for offline help or you may use an internet-based help. Thank you for listening us. We were watching you. We are showing you how we can use this AutoCAD in doing a lot of things. For the next video, I was introducing this to you, especially for the new beginners, how AutoCAD can be used. Indeed, for the next video, we will show you how we can use these tools to create a job, importing and inserting some points, survey points, and then how to draw profile, and we shall learn a lot of I think here we have passed through creating longitudinal profile, creating what is a cross section. So the next video will talk about how to compute volume stockpile computation. So stay with us and subscribe, and then you shall see how can we calculate. Imagine we have just a stockpile, maybe wanna create some dam, or you wanna create some swimming pool, or which amount of sand can be excavated, and what amount of sands can be embarked into your construction site. Thank you for watching, and stay with us. Subscribe our YouTube channel, Geotech Media. This is the special channel that acts as a platform for ranking surveyors. We are all about surveying. We are here for surveying. All thing is about surveying. So we shall talk about engineering survey, cadastral survey, even satellite survey, space science, and all things about remote sensing. Thank you for watching. Comment what do you want to express, even anything that you can post in this platform. Check you later. I'm Mr. Beam. Thank you for watching.